Hello, friends. All humanity was ignorant of two important realities: who God is and who we are as His image bearers. Isaiah tells us why we were so ignorant. He said, "There's a veil over all nations, and a cover stretched over all people." He promised that one day God would destroy it. That day came with the cross. This metaphoric veil blinded our eyes to those two truths. Jesus came to destroy that veil and give us clear view to God's identity and our identity. The grand curtain or veil that hung across the Holy of Holies in the temple was a shadow of this metaphoric veil that blinded our eyes. When Jesus died, the temple veil was supernaturally split in two from top to bottom. This signified the destruction of the metaphoric veil that Jesus annihilated by His lamb-like sacrifice on the cross. Now we can see clearly that God looks like Jesus, and we can see clearly that we can look like Jesus also. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, He's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.